Morning. Bit of an early one today. It's 9:40. We're going to go on a train on the Eskdale Railway. So I think we're going to catch the 10:25 train. And I think the station's just down the road. So I better get ready. You ready to go? You ready to go, huh? So we're almost ready to go. I hate getting up and being rushed in the morning. That's how it's felt every morning, but you know, it doesn't make sense to lie in when we could go out anyway, so there's nothing to complain about really. You good boy? You ready to go? That was good fun last night, playing cards and just generally being sloshed. The train. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. I'll zoom in. Oh, there it goes. Just lost the last end of it. Oh no, it's still there. There it is. Yay! Okay, we're at the station. There's the train. He's just pulling in. Oh, they're all covered over. Oh no, there's the back ones.
Yeah, we need to go back.
Oh, we sit on the back one.
I'd say the seats are going to be a bit wet. That river's certainly flowing. Oops, Indy having a poop. And this is the little station. It should be fun. Okay. Right, we're walking up to the platform. Got the parking right now. Put in for an all-day parking ticket, so we're set. Ooh.
Yeah, babe, look at it.
It's fun. That's okay. I'm recording? Yes, I'm recording. Okay, we've come inside now because it's raining. This is a lot better, yeah. It was getting a little bit wet. Not too much, but we haven't even left yet, so we just changed carriages. You right, Indy boy? Moving out. Oops, the camera's getting wet. Cool, look at that. Ooh, we just changed tracks. Imagine living there. Having the railway go past your house every day. This is my view. Our cabins are just through there, so that's where we're staying. I don't even know if you can see that. There's the campsite in behind there. So that's where we're staying. Train up ahead. This is the steam train that we're passing. There's the caboose. A whole load of train spotters up ahead. Gotcha. here, so we're going to stop and hang out at the beach for a bit and then catch the train back. I think these are the carriages you can stay in. Like it's a little holiday thing.
Signal box of all the levers.
Oh wow, this is Raven glass. Yeah. Okay. Alright, disembarking. And there's the rest of the platform. So that's it. We're here. So that's the train we were just on. We're in there. Everyone's going a little gaga over this Bentley. Oh, I love the little cover, how it has got space for the steering wheel. It's the cutest thing. It's pretty cool. That's a bit unfortunate. Oh dear. Yeah. It's a stalemate. That's cute. So that's where we were.
Yeah, I think we've changed our plan now.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's your plan going to be?
We're going to do that waterfall walk that's close to us. It's about an hour, so it's an hour and a half to get to where.
Oh. Maybe we should do the waterfall walk as well.
It's a short one.
I'll be up for that.
What were you doing?
That is a banana milkshake, although it just looks like a pile of cream. Like an exploded milk bottle. Brilliant.
Well, I'm going to sit in the open cockpit on the way back.
I am, regardless.
We're going to catch the train back, go to the Brook Inn pub, and then go for the walk to see the waterfall. Is that good? Oh, you took it down a bit. I don't know how you're going to get all that cream out. You guys right there? Okay, the front of the train is just driving up to the other end to pull this one back. Could you imagine how much fun that would be? Have your own little train set like that.
Yeah, I can suffer.
Ultimate boy story. And we're off. You what?
Sky looks moody.
Yeah, yeah. Thankfully it's not raining, but it does look pretty dark up there.
Just run ahead. Brilliant.
Pushy.
Faces to the road.
I can see it on Kate's camera. It's just running in front.
Let's see if he's gone to this side now. Yeah, there he is.
Mini looking at it.
Oh, there's a little lamb as well. There's Phil sticking his head out. There it goes. Can't get through the fence though. Aww, poor sheep. That was pretty funny. Cool, look at those lambs going crazy. I stopped at Ayrton Road station or halt, whatever you want to call it. We got the steam train coming along. All the train spotters are there. What are we all laughing at? Sounds like it's running out of steam. There it is. That'll be a fun job. Pulling into the station, that's the end of the line. Imagine living there. Oh, it's a little bit cold. Okay, we're back. So we're going to go to the pub just over there, that white building. We're going to have some lunch there. So that'll be good because I'm kind of hungry. The Boot Inn. We're not going to Brookhouse, we're going to a different one. Okay. Ooh. Food looks alright. Let's have a look around. Toilets this way. Oh, check out the carpet and the wallpaper.
Because I remember I was in hospital, your family had to take Craig and he was starting secondary school the next day.
We're here. That's
So,
where
yeah,
we
that's
had
15 years
the
ago. He started secondary school.
cow incident.
Yeah.
We're going to go back there and go up Scarfell Pike.
Who are you talking to?
And everyone's quiet.
Are you surprised? Talking
This
to
is a
yourself?
map of the area.
Does a whole video thing. I'm like, is she talking
I
about
know, I turned around and I see on video.
But
Most of the video is me going, what?
it does make the video better when there's someone actually addressing the camera. Yeah.
And that's the map Christina will be using to navigate to the top of the mountain.
Yeah. Me and Christina are going to take the cable car up there, stop at the coffee shop on the way, use the, you know, the royal toilets and stuff. It'll be good.
Too many souvenirs because you have to carry them
back.
again.
Oh god, yeah, souvenir shop. Yeah.
Okay, we're going for a walk now. We're going to go to see this waterfall. Okay, so we're only just over the road. And I'm already falling behind. Got my gaiters on. Got my backpack on. With my little watery thing. Set. Some old ruins here. This is quite beautiful along here. I love the moss on the rocks. Come on! Jake, don't go in there! It's a little bit rapid. Come on! It's been raining the last 2 days. That's pretty funny actually. Hello! It's quite nice. Wow. I don't know if you can hear me because the water's really loud, but this is really great. What do you think, Indy? No, I thought I'd press the... I was taking a photo. So there's another bridge there. So there's the falls up ahead. Those guys went up further up the steep bit because there's a warning sign. And we stayed back.
people, we go back.
We're looking after the dogs.
Yeah.
But they've just said that we could probably do it, but I don't think I could be bothered. Okay. We decided to climb up. It's pretty loud. So there it is. Yep, it's a waterfall. Pretty nice. Well, we came and we saw a waterfall. There's another one down here. That's the one that we could see from the thing down there, the bridge, but yeah, it was good. Apparently you can swim there. I'm not swimming. No thank you. That's pretty fucking steep, that. Fuck that. So, I'm gonna go down here, along here, and then along there. I've just crossed under this. We're going this secret passage. Instead of going back down there, across the bridge, we're going up further. So we think it might go to the top of the falls now. Since I'm not gonna do the Scarfell Pike walk tomorrow, I figured I'd do this. Oh, I'm so unfit.
Pike.
Yeah, it's been before.
Maybe it's so far for her to register.
She went over that other bridge, over and back.
Yeah.
That
Learning.
You're weirdo dog.
Just getting used to it, I think.
I
this
think
is
sometimes you pick it up and
Yeah.
scared so you cut them off.
Where's this path all goes? You can see another one.
so unfit.
I know, but I can't think how you get across. There must be a way to get from the other bank. But must be another bridge up there. Unless that's another path coming over the top. There's a fella.
So unfit. I'm definitely not doing the Scarfell Pike walk tomorrow. I don't really want to do this, but no thanks. I'm going to get off this cliff. Yeah. So unfit. So right at the top there where the fence is, that went out into a field. Now we're going back down. Thank God. And we're back. So that was a pretty good detour. Hard work. Yes, record. It doesn't beep when I start recording. Anyway, we're back. We're back, and I'm showered. Me and Don and B are gonna go to the shop and get some stuff. Just spotted a mangy little cat down there. It looks like it could have been cute one day, but it's looking a bit matted. Right, we're gonna go. Oh, I'm recording. Hello. Look at this. Yes. We've made an amazing meal. So I'm just going to put some music on and enjoy dinner and have a really chilled evening.
I didn't in the microwave, the chicken.
Oh,
So I can go in there
I'll stick
now.
around here.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Actually, I'm probably getting a bit too into it, aren't I?
Should I turn some of the lights off?
Right. Just doesn't beep anymore when I press record. Anyway, end of the night. I'm gonna go to bed. We played that game for a little while, which is good. But I'll talk about it tomorrow. Everyone's going to climb Scarfall Park tomorrow, but I'm staying here because I want to get an art video done and me climbing a mountain. I don't think so. I don't think so. So that's it. I'm just gonna get the vlog from yesterday uploading because I haven't done that yet, and I might even start editing this one. Cool. See you tomorrow. Bye. What a shitty wet day. Anyway, this is the Bluebird Cafe on Waterston Lake. We're now gonna go to another pub. We're going to another pub, aren't we?